What's going on, everyone? Here is my shower that I have painted black. Now, if you're tired of having an ugly shower or a chrome shower that you're not happy with, but don't want to spend a lot of money, I'm going to show you how you can paint your shower just like this. So yeah, this is the original shower that came with the home that was built in 2007. This is a builder shower, which is the whole bathroom is, custom to this house. And if you were to go and replace these shower doors and the glass, it would cost you hundreds, possibly even thousands of dollars on how you want them to be. Well, I didn't want to spend that much money, so I just disassembled the entire shower and painted it black. And it's been like this for 2 months and it hasn't had any problems. So yeah, continue watching this video and I'll show you how to paint your shower black or whatever color that you prefer. Alright guys, so here is a video of the shower halfway dismantled. Unfortunately, the first video of dismantling the shower would not work. I'm not sure what's wrong with the formatting, but yes, so here you want to make sure you document how the shower was taken apart, because it's going to be really difficult to put the shower back together if you do not remember where all the parts and everything go. So make sure you document how the shower was taken apart. Now the shower is held together with various amounts of screws and seals. As you can see here, these are the screws that were holding this end of the shower pieces together. And you're also going to have to run a razor blade down the caulking to break that off, and then you will later on scrape all that off the original pieces. So yeah, so here is the final video of the shower doors completely disassembled. You can actually use this time to properly scrub down the shower if you have shower or soap scum, and take all these pieces into the garage for the next step, which would be sanding. Alright, so your next step is you want to properly sand these down before the paint has a good surface to adhere to. You can either hand sand these or use a sandblaster like I did here. It made it a lot easier because there's a lot of recesses and crevices that you have to get to. It might be hard when hand sanding. And sandblasting also helps us go by 10 times as fast. Another thing is you want to make sure you remove any existing caulking or sealant that is on the shower pieces. And then finally you want to wipe everything down really good with either some acetone or some alcohol and a microfiber towel, and then they are ready to paint. And we will be painting these flat black or matte black and putting on 2 good coats to make sure all the chrome is covered. Alright, so here are the pieces completed with spray painting. I made sure to put on 2 good coats so there's no chrome showing through. And you let them dry for 24 hours because the install is going to be pretty difficult. So you want to make sure that the paint is completely dry before installing them. Alright, here is the shower all put back together. It was pretty simple because we had documented where every single shower piece went, and I hope this helps you paint your own showers.